Today we're bringing you 3 make-ahead fillings perfect for sandwiches, wraps and salads, making lunchtime super easy and delicious. This protein-packed filling is made using boiled chickpeas. Smash them up in a bowl till they're flaky. Then add some bell pepper, onions, sunflower seeds, a little mayonnaise, some chopped up dill, salt, and pepper. Mix it up and you're ready to go. You can add this to bread along with some lettuce or other greens. Perfect for a weekday lunch or an after-school snack. The filling will stay good for about 2 to 3 days in the fridge. You can even lightly roast a tortilla and add the filling to it, making for a wholesome wrap. Or pop a spoonful on a salad for a nutritious meal. Next, we'll be making our take on a classic egg salad. Good egg salad needs perfectly boiled eggs. So start with normal water and bring it to a boil. Then gently place in all the eggs. Boil these for exactly 9 minutes. Carefully remove them with a slotted spoon and drop them in a bowl of cold water to stop the internal cooking. Remove the peel and chop them up. To the chopped eggs, we'll add mayonnaise, onions, bell pepper, paprika, black pepper powder, mustard paste, lemon juice, and salt. Mix well and mash slightly. This stuff is fantastic in sandwiches, which we're making with the traditional lettuce leaf. It can even make a wholesome wrap or a fabulous starter when served on toast. For this next rich and creamy filling, you'll need some hung curd. For a quicker alternative, you can also use Greek yogurt. We'll load this with veggies, starting with grated carrots, finely chopped cabbage, colorful capsicum, and boiled corn. A little paprika for that much needed spice, cumin powder, salt, and pepper to taste. Mix it well and keep it aside. This filling is great in a sandwich and can even be spread on crackers or toast. It lasts up to 5 to 7 days. Perfect for a light breakfast or snack. This creamy sandwich can be customized to your liking. Hope you'll try out these versatile fillings for your next meal. And thanks for watching. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.